Welcome back or welcome for the first time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to turn on the subtitles for different languages. YouTube will auto-translate the English subtitles to whatever language you like. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, a small disclaimer. This is just a snippet of my diet. I really don't like the word diet, but I don't know what other word to use other than that word. But this is just a snippet of one day. Some days I do not eat like this at all and I eat way more, and some days I eat less. It's really all about trying to find balance between living a healthy lifestyle but also enjoying less healthy things, I guess. So do not be fooled by this video. This is just one day in my life. So here we have my breakfast, and I also did eat more fruit from the Tupperware box because I felt like I just wanted to eat more berries. I really tried to make my plate look aesthetically pleasing, but I still have a long way to go when it comes to like decorating my bowls. But at least the taste, chef's kiss. I'm actually feeling a bit lazy for dinner, so I'm just gonna make one pot pasta. I'm gonna use this olive oil. Trying to get everything out of there. I'm just gonna add a bit more.
はとてもつきません。森の小さなレストラン。空っぽのポケットをまっさぐって忘れた人からたどり着く。予約は一つもありません。森の小さなレストラン。空席だらけのランチ時。小鳥がパタパタ笑ってる。